The International Star for Leadership in Quality Convention 2018 took place at the Paris Étoile Palais de Congrès Convention Hall. Delegation from 5 continents and award winners featured major players in top sectors from around the world. Leaders, entrepreneurs, managers and members of the diplomatic corps were present at the International BID Quality Convention in Paris. Recognition was expressed for quality achieved through management, teamwork and attention to the communities where these companies and organizations operate.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we're nearing the end of the ceremony, but we still have one more award to present, and that will be to Dr. Tawfik Sefrioui from Morocco. Dr. Tawfik Sefrioui from Morocco, receiving the ISLQ Award, International Star for Leadership in Quality. Congratulations for the ISLQ Award here in Paris to Dr. Tawfik Sefrioui of Morocco. Congratulations for reaching this Star for Leadership in Quality Award and receiving it from the hands of the President, Mr. Jose Prieto. We're going to ask Dr. Tawfik Sefrioui to close the ceremony for us with a few words.
Thank you so much. On behalf of the President of the International Convention of BID, I'm allowed to close this ceremony with some messages from him. If you have to listen to me, it's going to take me more than an hour to say exactly what I have to say. But I have to put, I put this into some few words to say exactly what the message that it has to be done. Thank you for the International Star for the leadership in quality. And the goal of all of us is our determination to provide our clients quality services in the most innovative, groundbreaking, and effective options, creating new milestones to improve ourselves, getting the endeavor to pursue our path, to stick to our strong principles of being the best, and thank God of the greatest to be among the selected leaders and international leaders of a high-level quality and commitment to the client satisfaction and professional services, which has earned us to get the peer-voted distinction and winners of the International Golden Star Award for Leadership and Quality. So let's make all of us an effort to provide the best of us, providing great quality services and the most contemporary option for our clients. We are very proud of being among the winners of this award, which has a lot of significance to the world internationally and for our present and future clients. For years, all of us has worked exhaustively to develop the holy grail of our own field and an effective way seeking and striving for continuous quality, leadership, recognition, and excellence of what we are doing, as well embracing the technologies that are today available in our practice to give the solution of all the problems we face. To summarize this, quality is never an accident. It's always a result of intelligent and sincere efforts, high intention and right directions, and skillful way towards execution. It presents the wisest choice of many alternatives, striving for excellence and high quality. And as the old saying, good, better, best never rests, until good is better, and better is best. Thank you very, very much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Well said.